Holy crapoli. Thanks. Freaking out a little bit, but thanks everybody. I've never had anything like this happen since my first and only up to this moment viral video, and I've not had anything go like this crazy fast. If you're here, you watched that, and now you're watching this, make sure you watch the playlist. Everybody's video is so awesome, and everyone's art was so fun in this challenge. If you're here because you're a Swiftie, for sure go watch everyone's video because everyone embodied this so well. And yeah, anyway, that's all I have to say. Thanks, peeps. Later.